Dear gracious and heavenly God, we just come to you today thankful that we're able to fish another day. God, I just ask for protection on the water. We just pray you, if you see fit, you bless us with your bountiful catch, and that we're able to respect these beautiful fish that we come out here to catch. In your son Jesus' name we pray. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Finally off on a Friday. We get to fish a tournament. This is the first one of the year. Hopefully it's not the last. Don't know what to expect. It's going to be a lot of running and gunning tonight. We're going to try to get most of it on GoPro. As the first tournament of the year always goes, we've forgotten stuff. No net. It'll be fun. But hopefully we can get in the money. That's what we're hoping for. Just to have a good solid performance tonight. Noah's been sticking some bass pretty good lately, so hopefully he can carry over into tonight. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see if we can't hook y'all a big one. No, he won't. Yeah, he will. He might. He ain't. Up there shallow. Is he? 14 and a quarter. So guys, these fish got to be 15 inches largemouth. It's still 12-inch spot. They changed the slot limit on this lake, so we got to catch some bigger fish. He was up shallow. Come to the front. Come on. Here, just bring him. Bring him. Just flip him. I don't even care. He's not they're out there, dude. He might eat. He's thick. Show the camera. My line, when I say turd, oh my gosh. What is he? 14 and a half again, guys. I mean, we're putting it on him, just not big enough. Got one? Got one? Yeah. I think I did, yeah. I think it's little. Yeah, I got one. I might not, honestly. I might got one. I can't get my bait in the water. Is it? It's a button. He ain't keeping. I promise he is. He ain't. He's the same size as mine. He might. Measuring. Yeah, I got one. Bite out here a little bit further. Just caught that one, 14 and a half. We gotta have it 15, guys. It's okay. 5. I love you. I freaking love you. It's 3 though. It's good. Is that the second bite you've had out there? Yeah. Choked it. Let's go, baby. 3-pounder. Good job, bud. Digging. White bass. Dude. Oh my gosh. What have we found? Boys, what have we found? We found some big ones. Oh, we're on them, boys. We are on them, boys. We are on them, boys. Thank you, Lord. Don't want me to die now. That's a 4 every day. that I seen in Montana. Big.
Oh, came off.
Is that one
Okay. I don't think so.
it's big?
Show the camera. We almost just doubled up. I was noodling mine.
I don't think it's 15. I don't think this one's 15. We'll see. $14, babies. All right, let's see what we can do. My hand just passed away. I got a fish. I got a fish.
Is that a hot hand? Or a pack of Hawaiian bones? Is it big? Is it big?
Little one, guys.
Little bug, little mud.
You hungry?
I'm way more than that, brother. Before we lose it, oh, there's two with it. Did you see that?
Is it big?
Is
Is it
there's
big?
like three with it. They're all the same size. And they're all penals.
Is this one big?
No.
Because it feels big.
Dude, reel up. Oh. He's bigger than the other one. And they're all about that size.
Is he 15?
Yeah.
Is he bigger than the other one?
Oh, I just got level. Yeah. Okay, guys. These are our small fish. We just weighed them 1.6 and then two on the dot. Or no, 2 on the dot and 1.6. So we're gonna throw that one back. Right?
White was 2.
Yeah. White was 2. So we have a 2. You know weigh these? Or no? You don't. We have a 2, and then we got a 4 probably, and a 3.5. Do you want to weigh them or no? No. That's a good one. That's not bad. Ah, I think that might help. Willie?
Maybe. I can't. We'll have to put them on the scale because I ain't got that thing. Right, look.
Well, we'd have 5. We'd actually have 6. He's well over 15. I don't.
Just look.
I'm like that. I promise you, I'm like that. That's bigger than the other ones, baby. I'm like that.
He's built different.
I think that's a pretty good cool, don't you, Lucas?
Yes, sir.
What's up, guys? Just got back. Well, we're still driving. Luke's right there. Probably about to blind him, but pretty good night on the water. It took, y'all saw our fish we caught. We had 3 good ones. It took 13.22 to win. And me and Luke had 13.22, baby. You know how it is. We won. Second place was 11 something, and third place was 11 something. So it was a pretty good night. Bunch of good bags caught. We did not get any place on big fish, but we had one, when we weighed them, we had one that was 4, our big fish was 4.8, other fish was 4.5, and the other fish was 4 on the dot. I don't know if that adds up, but that's what we had. It was a good night. Had fun together. Caught a bunch of good fish. Had about 20 pounds. Right, if it wasn't 20 pounds, we had right at 20 pounds, 4 or 5 fish. So had a good night on no land, but getting late. Got to work in the morning. Luke's going on vacation. Don't know when we're going to be able to fish again next. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video turned out good. We had a bunch of no, we didn't get a bunch on video. We'll have to work on that, but we'll get more tournament videos. Videos seem to help us tonight. Got our mojo back. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. See you at the top.